Today is Tuesday, so another day to work. Another day to be a corporate slave. Not that one. Ng morning dito. Tapos ka na?
Hindi pa.
Magkakape ka pa lang. Sige.
Bye.
Sabay ako.
Tara.
Magkakape din ako. So, before I'm going to start my day, my work, coffee first, of course. Ako umalis. Not having coffee at home, so I'm just having coffee here at the office. Kasi, for sure, hindi naman yung registered sa BIR.
Hindi talaga.
Kasi ano lang yun eh.
Oo, ano naman yun. Meron talaga.
I-check yung
Miss G, yung sa'yo ba? Combine ng uni at saka ano, CJ?
ang alin.
Yung sa'yo, APAR?
Hindi.
CJ lang?
CJ lang.
Located in Thailand, I have view of 102 views.
Yeah, and we... Okay, someone is inviting us for her wedding now. Okay, ulit call ka. Oh, sige. Kaya nagpa-practice na siya how to walk down the aisle. Oh, perfect.
We have
Yes. Video and photography.
Isa
Oh,
naman you get
you
to
have
other,
discount na.
Yes.
Oh.
May discount.
If you guys are looking for videographer, photographer, just comment there because
We have a team. And
They have a team.
I will give you a discount.
oh, see? Discounted rate, guys. For a videographer or a
And
photographer.
photographer packages.
Yes, it is a package. Discounted rate again. So today, we are not allowed to speak Tagalog or Filipino.
We are now in the English song here, guys.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
Until later, then I'm gonna say, okay?
And
Okay.
After the good thing ever in this
What?
department.
What's ano? I thought we are not allowed to speak Tagalog.
Yeah, sometimes there is singit.
Inulit.
There is singit. Uy, naka-live talaga yan.
Hindi yan live.
Kasi hindi mo pa na-entry eh. Not unless makukonfirm mo kay Miss May na na-confirm receive niya ito. Period niya, October to ano. Kaso hindi eh. Basta date kami. Pag nag-entry ako, lahat ng naka-November, sa November na siya ma-end. Owed ng NCC. So, ang
Ako ba kung nakanina yan?
Oh.
mag-uukay-ukay
Ay,
pa lang.
message kita pag anong reply ni sir.
Wala pa yan.
Mm-mm. Hindi, general question na lang yung inano ko. Kasi di ba nag-advise siya before na kapag hindi updated sa ledger, i-pending muna.
Ano to? What's this?
Wala eh,